from Aylesworth Woods. Haven't been on for a while. Lots of things have inhibited my little trips through Aylesworth Woods. That's twice I've mentioned Aylesworth Woods, and that's actually 3 times I've mentioned it. I don't know about you, but it's strange times. The weather's weird. I feel weird. I don't know. It's just a weird kind of experience, and we've got another rise in COVID cases now, and it seems such a long time since I was wandering through these woods during the first lockdowns and thinking, oh yeah, we'll get through it. Now here we go again. Anyway, I'm just about to get into the suburb. Excuse my puffiness appearance, but the pollen's got to me. Good old pollen. Whoops, stood in some poo there. I've done a little video before this, which just kind of shows the way that these inclement kind of bouts of weather have affected nature. There's even little bits of the old brambles coming through, little bits of autumn shown on some of the trees and things, so that's kind of weird. But anyway, I'll be back shortly. Hello once more. Decided I would take a shortcut that's normally fairly well shown. The last time I came up there, it was an open path with very little undergrowth. You'll see from the video, I felt like one of them explorers going through the deepest jungles of Brazil. Them big flipping white things, I've got the name of them now, but if you catch them on your skin you can break out in quite bad allergy. Hopefully I didn't catch any, we'll wait and see. Anyway, just been to have a lunch with Nigel and Trey, both of which are doing really well. Trey looks really well, clearly moving to a new home and getting settled is good for her in many ways. I'm sure she'll explain that to you at some point when she goes online. A bit out of breath because I've been attacked from all corners by pollen, and I've probably sneezing all night now, hence the puffy eyes. Hope you all enjoyed my pictorial items on FB. I hadn't realised how much I looked like a supermodel. A little bit gay, I thought, but hey, I'm in tune with both sides. I'm sure that'll please my friend Nancy Boy, Dave Evans, or maybe not, perhaps. Got a lovely hilarious post shortly after from Paul Jackson, a friend of mine. Used to visit his mum, Patricia, lovely woman, and it was a picture of him posing in his Speedo, trying to outdo me. Nice one, Paul. Yeah, I mentioned earlier on there, the way down, these really are strange times. I'm not quite sure sometimes what's going on or where I am. I mean, the government's in turmoil, they're all fighting each other now. Inflation's up to the height it's been for 40 years. People are struggling to put food on the table. We've got strikes which are part of the discontent with the current Tory government, and old Bozo, who's now not at the head, well, he's at the head for the time being until September. One plus is the fact that petrol's starting to go down, even though the profiteers have made quite a bit of money out of the working person, which is not good, but the Tory government were monitoring it. Yeah, thank you. And now we're going to have another idiot in charge. You know, the current government banned or blocked the no confidence vote for them. Clearly nobody has got any confidence unless you're fucking deluded in them. They blocked it, which, you know, really was against the law, but we all know why. But anyway, inflation's up. We're all struggling a wee bit. If you aren't struggling, then that's good, you know, get on with it. But there's many people who are trying to get to work and struggling to keep up with the inflation. Old Queenie got 70% above inflation for the very important job she does, which is waving, and the other cronies as well. But yeah, kind of trying to get down with the kids at the moment, so I'm going to come back to, because I've got a good wild rant coming up. Oh dear. There's the first sign of perhaps catching that horrible thing. So what do they call it now? Is this like a... oh, I don't know. No, it's gone. Anyhow, if you did like my picture of me wearing shorts and looking amazing like a supermodel, that's where their legs come from, then please do feel free to comment. I've got an agent now, Trey's my agent, so I'm taking bookings for the catwalk and also some modelling work, you know, catalogues and things, if that's alright. Not delivering them, but actually being photographed on them. So yeah, I put that on because my mate Deck, the ex-band member, he threatened to post it unless I attended this event, which unfortunately I couldn't because I've been with working with someone today. And I hope you had a good day anyway, if you see this. Anyway, I thought I'd get in before he did. And there's 2 or 3 other ones as well, which I think are really nice, going back to the old band days and things. So yeah, anyway, no sign of my friend the squirrel, so I am going to make that a wrap, and I'll see you soon.